Do you guys like Teslas? No? Oh, okay. Guys, so we're here at Austin Airport with the crew, just landing for Super Lap Battle at COTA, which is my first time driving, so super excited. And we're gonna win the Tesla class, that's the plan. We'll do it, we'll do it. Okay, we are arriving to Circuit of America. What? Freezing? Cold. Photo shoot. Track. Huge place. Car's getting ready. What do you do, Mike?
3. Making the car more difficult for you to drive.
Sounds about right. Sounds about right. Oh shoot. What up? What's for lunch?
Barbecue.
Oh wow.
Thank you, Titan
Extra
7.
style. Gonna get my own too. Uh-oh, huge line. Titan 7 hospitality.
Hell yeah.
So just came back from my very first session. I would say just very first lap. Man, this truck is so fun. But unfortunately, this EV car, we can only do one lap. So basically out lap, one lap and come back. So I mean 3 laps total. So it's just not enough. We just need to charge it. It's gonna take another half day. So I think most likely I'm gonna get one more run towards the end of the day. All right, so now I'm gonna jump into Spoon Civic. Just drove the Spoon FK8, they're really good, but actually didn't like the way it rolls too much, so I'm asking Mike Ujima to change a little bit. Hopefully that eliminates the problem. I had a pretty hot lap, which is great, you know. This is my first time coming into COTA, so any laps count. So I got a 1 lap with Tesla and 3 laps in this one. So hopefully when I get out next time, I'll be more used to the track. Shadow had a couple laps with this car since Mike changed the setup. Actually improved a lot, felt really good, but I couldn't get a lap because I got a little overheating for some reason. We don't know why, but Aaron's gonna drive and try to figure it out if anything's wrong or not. Track walk time. This is the top of the home straight. Yeah, this track has so much elevation changes. Yeah, most video or the video game or the sim can't really tell I think the iRacing one is pretty close, but still, I was so surprised when I get here. So much elevation change here, way more than I expected, which is really cool part of this track though. So this is after the turn 1, a downhill. I didn't even realize this much going down. I mean, I'm sure you can't tell by this video, but even when I'm driving, I didn't think it was this steep. Alright, let's see how much battery got charged. Still 50%. It'll be full by the morning. Day 2 started. I'm gonna take the Tesla out first. Try to set, one good lap time. And then in the middle of the day, hopping on a spoon car. Try to get the fastest time on this car as well. And end of the day, I'm gonna back in that car for one more lap. 2 laps a day for the Tesla. Just went out for the first session, wanting to put the fastest time, but the track was actually still cold, so I think I drove pretty good. The car was handling really good, but I just didn't feel overall grip as much as yesterday. So the first session in the morning is not really ideal. And actually we did the exact same time as yesterday afternoon. So, but now the battery is dropped to 60%, so we're gonna charge till the last session. So basically we lost the best chance today. So tomorrow we're gonna skip the first session and just do the second session. Should be ideal temp and condition. Okay, I'm gonna take this guy out next. Gonna get fresh AO52, so hopefully we can do the best time ever. What are you shooting?
I'm just taking video of the kid. Suspension.
Little details, huh? Just did a hot lap on this guy. Did the fastest time so far, but some little bugs comes in and I think we could go a little bit quicker, so hopefully maybe tomorrow do even faster, right?
Of course, always go faster.
Yeah, never ends. Never ending this. Must be nice.
I really like
Dive's camera. This seat is reserved for Dive's camera.
Next to me?
You were out here last
You good? You don't want to sit next to me?
I would love to see it. I can hold your camera for
No,
you.
it's
Is that a
okay.
separate car or did you just
Alright, signing's going on.
supporting them since they were
Oh,
no, they're good friends.
try to get up on this.
In the wrong direction if you're afraid of heights.
Oh ho ho! Here you go. Go guys. Oh damn, it's pretty nice. Nice view.
Don't put too much as a weight limit. There's a weight limit.
This one actually kind of scary, right? Last session we changed the wing and the brake pad and the new tire, and then we gained a couple seconds, so we did 2:24, which was our target time. I mean, our target time was 23, so I still have work to do tomorrow, but so far it's pretty good. The driving was pretty good. I had a minor mistake, but I don't think I lost that much time, but it was 24 flat. But if I didn't do that, maybe 23.9. You know, what if it's always like that on time attack? But tomorrow we'll try to do 23s, and it'll be happy ending.
Their poses though.
It worked.
It worked.
It worked.
Good content, good content. Last day at COTA, battle, getting ready for the one last hot lap. Since we don't have a tire warmer this event, we're using the rental to heat up the tires. I'm pretty sure it's gonna help quite a bit. It was really hard to get the temp yesterday because, you know, I only have one warm-up lap and one hot lap, and one warm-up lap, you know, I have to try save the battery, which means I can't really push it, so try not to use the brake, and it wasn't quite enough to screw up the tire. So this will jump start it, so by the time my hot lap start, the tire temp should be ideal. Okay, car is almost ready. Going for the first session. It will be the first from the last. Try to get that 23s. Yeah, we went 23 point what? 23.8. That's exactly what we wanted. So we can pack up and go home.
But you won't.
No.
Not yet. Not yet.
Because
Yeah.
you could do better, right?
Always better. Always better. But that was pretty ideal, driving wise and the car wise.
I drove fast.
Oh, finally say that. Do you guys like Teslas? No? Oh, okay. This is called pick call. We place our car on a hotbed and a lot of people actually. So right now lunch break, so track is totally cold. Just took this out and it's got a little turbo issue, so I think that was the last one for me. So we're gonna have a one last session. I don't know how much battery is right now. Uh-oh. Did I do something wrong? Anyways, so that was it. We did really good. We did 225 with this guy and 223 in the Tesla. It was pretty much my target time, the gas target time that the car can do. I think this car can go faster. We didn't have time. We had some issue today, so we didn't have really exceeded the time. But for the Tesla wise, I think 23 was pretty much at the limit. Of course, it can go quicker, but that was pretty good. So I'm pretty happy about it. Are you taking off? Okay. So this car is not for the time attack. So this time we're trying to get here and try to get some, exposures. So for that, did really good job. Everybody likes Spoon Sports Civic. And also for the Tesla, it was actually, the main purpose is the testing for the Pikes peak. Asian drivers, man. So you're supposed to check what's around your car before you drive, but he didn't. Anyways, mission accomplished. So we did the testing for Pikes Peak. So we had a lot of data on the Tesla. So yeah, that was a great weekend. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.